Good morning, class 12. In accountancy class, today's our topic is comparative statement of profit and loss and the numerical from this topic. Here is a numerical example number 4 and the statement is following particulars are related to the statement of profit and loss of Assam Tea Limited for 2 consecutive years. Amount is given 2019 and 18. स्टेटमेंट में बेटे 2019 पहले दिया हुआ है और 2018 के डेटा बाद में दिए हुए हैं, बट व्हेन वी सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन हम 2018 के डेटा पहले लेंगे 2019 के बाद में। तो स्टेटमेंट में आपको ऊपर आपको रीड करना पड़ेगा कि विच ईयर डेटा इज गिवन। सो हियर इज द इंफॉर्मेशन रिगार्डिंग रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम ऑपरेशन, अदर इनकम, एक्सपेंसेस एंड इनकम टैक्स 40% and 35%. So let us start the question. And first of all, comparative statement of profit and loss for the year ended 31st March 2018 and 31st March 2019. And the format is particular, note number, amount of 31st March 2018 and amount of 31st March 2019, increase, decrease and percentage, right? So increase, decrease can be calculated B minus A. It means amount of B, amount of A. It means इस amount में से हमें ये amount minus करना है. So let us start the question. First of all, the information is given for revenue from operation. So first head, revenue from operation, and the amount is given in the year 2018 is 60 lakh, and in the year 2019 is 75 lakh, and here is an increase, decrease with the amount of rupees 15 lakh. Right? From 60 to 75, increase, decrease with rupees 15 lakh. Now we have to calculate the percentage. Percentage can be calculated increase, decrease divided by the amount of previous year into 100. So 15 lakh upon 60 lakh into 100, percentage is 25%. So after revenue from operation, there is an other income. Add other income which is given in the statement. In 2018, the amount is 1,50,000. In 2019, the amount is 1,20,000. So here is a decrease, right? 1,50,000 से 1,20,000, 30,000 से amount reduce हो गया. Here is a decrease, and decrease are to be shown in the bracket. Bracket denotes the negative item. So 30,000 is the negative item. And when we find out the percentage of other income, 30,000 divided by 1,50,000 into 100, percentage is 20%. After that, we have the third head is total revenue. Total revenue can be calculated revenue from operation plus other income. This is not given in the statement, but we have to find out in the third head, revenue from operation plus other income. It means 60 lakh plus 1,50,000. The total revenue in the year 2018 is 61,50,000. And in 2019, revenue from operation 75 lakh, add other income 1,20,000, total revenue 76,20,000. And 61,50,000 say 76,20,000, so there is a decrease. There is an increase with rupees 14,70,000, and the percentage can be calculated 14,70,000 divided by 61,50,000 into 100. So the percentage is 23.90%. After that, the total revenue, the fourth head is less expenses, and amount of expenses is given in the statement. And expenses in the year 2018 is 44 lakh. And in the year 2019, 50,60,000. So here is an increase with rupees 6,60,000. 44 lakh से 50,60,000 हो गया, तो 6,60,000 की increase है. And the percentage can be calculated 6,60,000 divided by 44 lakh into 100, and the percentage is 15%. So total revenue में से हम expenses को minus कर देंगे, तो हमारा नेक्स्ट हेड आ जाएगा बेटा. टोटल रिवेन्यू में से हम क्या करेंगे, एक्सपेंसेस को माइनस कर देंगे, तो नेक्स्ट हेड आ जाएगा हमारा प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स. इट मीन्स थर्ड हेड माइनस फोर्थ हेड.
इट मीन्स 61,50,000 में से 44 लाख हम माइनस करेंगे तो 2018 का प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स आएगा 17,50,000 और 2019 में 76 लाख में से 50,60,000 एक्सपेंसेस माइनस करेंगे तो हमारे पास प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स आ जाएगा बेटा 25,60,000। सो प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स 17,50,000 से 25,60,000 हो गया तो here is an increase with 8,10,000 and the percentage increase is 46.29% and percentage will be calculated 8,10,000 divided by 17,50,000 into 100, right? So fifth head profit before tax के बाद हम क्या करेंगे, टैक्स को माइनस कर देंगे एंड द टैक्स परसेंटेज इज गिवन इन द स्टेटमेंट इज 35% इन 2018 का 35% है और 2019 का 40% है। अब ये 35% हम कौन सी फिगर का निकालेंगे बेटे, प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स का। टैक्स कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड 35% ऑफ 17,50,000। प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स के ऊपर हमने परसेंटेज कैलकुलेट करनी है। सो 17,50,000 का 35% 6,12,500 इज द टैक्स ऑफ 2018 और 25,60,000 का 40% 10,24,000 इज द टैक्स ऑफ 2019 और 6,12,500 से 10,24,000 इंक्रीज हुआ, that is an increase of 4,11,500. This is an increase of tax, right? And the percentage increase is 67.18%, right? And how can we find out the percentage? 4,11,500 divided by 6,12,500. It means increase decrease divided by amount of previous year into 100. So tax की percentage increase हो गई 67.18%. Now we have to got the final answer. Net income, profit before tax means net income, and net income can be calculated profit before tax minus tax equal to profit after tax, and profit after tax is net income. So profit before tax से हमारा 17,50,000, इसमें से हमने टैक्स माइनस किया 6,12,500 तो प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स हमारा प्रीवियस ईयर का आएगा 11,37,500। प्रॉफिट बिफोर टैक्स में से हम टैक्स माइनस कर देंगे तो हमारे पास प्रॉफिट आफ्टर टैक्स यानी कि नेट इनकम प्रीवियस ईयर की आएगी 11,37,500 और करंट ईयर की आएगी बेटे 25,60,000 में से 10,24,000 का टैक्स माइनस करेंगे तो नेट इनकम आएगी 15,36,000 एंड देयर इज एन इंक्रीज इन द नेट इनकम विथ 3,98,500 एंड द परसेंटेज इंक्रीज इज 35.03%. How can we find out the percentage increase decrease? It means 3,98,500 divided by 11,37,500 into 100. So the percentage increase is 35.03%. This is the net income. And student, this is the question of comparative statement of profit and loss. Now you have to calculate Now you have to calculate the back exercise questions of comparative profit and loss. Thank you.